Alright folks, we're getting super duper close. Can't believe it's finally happening. What is going on, people? We have finally finished the white truck project. It's been probably a month and a half or 2 months since we started this thing, when we finally got it finished. Me and Abby literally just got done cleaning up on it like 30 minutes ago, if that. So I'm going to show y'all the final product. It turned out nice. It is not perfect by any means, but it looks really nice. Let me show you what we've got. Alright people, I'll just recap everything we did to this thing. We ripped the whole truck apart, practically. We painted everything, obviously. All of the old trim, all the trim is original. The mirrors are original. These lights here had to be replaced because they were all faded out. We had to replace the blinker lights. We've got new headlight bezels, new grill, other new headlight bezel. That's the original bumper. Same thing on this side. We got all new badges. F150 XLT. Those are brand new from LMC. We painted the vent glass frames and the frame around the vent glass. Again, new badge, Lariat badge. We went with a solid rear glass instead of the sliding rear glass because the old sliding rear glass, it leaked and it rattled and just made a lot of noise. So since we took it out anyway, we decided not to bother putting it back in. So we just got a solid rear glass, and I really like the looks of it. It's a clean, real clean look. We got new center caps on the wheels. It used to have knockoff center caps, or they call them spinners. But what happened with those center caps is they just lost their chrome and started getting rusty looking. I painted the back of the chassis. Original tail lights, original tail lights, original rear bumper, but the back plastics on the old bumper were like melty and getting in rough shape. LMC had those pieces of plastic, so we put those new on there. We might put some decals on the tailgate where it says Ford. We'll just have to decide what color we want. All I can find is black or red, or silver or blue maybe, but the only colors that would go with this truck is black or red, and I'm not sure which one we would want, if we even want to bother with letters. Let me know what you think in the comments. Maybe that'll help us make a decision. The original badge, the dealership badge where this truck come from, I just wanted to paint it gloss black, so that's what I did. It's got clear coat on it. We did the Raptor spray-in bed liner kit. This stuff turned out really, really nice. And as you can tell, we didn't wash it because this stuff hasn't even set for a week yet. So I don't want to get a pressure washer a hold of it or anything. But yeah, that I believe is everything we did to this truck. And it turned out really, really pretty. Like I said, it is not perfect by any means, but we did the best we could. If we did it again, we could probably do it better because we were pretty much learning this entire time. Learning new things, learning what not to do, and learning what to do. So this was a pretty enjoyable project, but it'll be really nice to have my freedom back because every second I haven't been at work, I've been working on this truck. So it'll be nice to have time to do other things like golf or something. So hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hope you liked the truck, and we will see you on the next one.